Here we have a very nice Jet 6" by 48" belt sander combination 10" disc sander. It is unused. It's in very good condition. We had just fully assembled the unit. It was in some boxes, as you can see right there. So we assembled it to test it and make sure everything works on it. It works very nicely when we're powered up. So the center of the standing belt is hitting on here a little bit as it goes around. You might want to change the belt out. Other than that, it's in really good condition. 414550 is the stock number on that.